How to make money with Grab points. In this video I'm going to give you an inside look so you can see if you decide to join, what the site has to offer, how to use the different options. I will show you around what you need to do here to see if it's worth it or not. Just log in, and let me just start by saying it's a great service site, definitely a legit site, and here you can earn money online, and where you can see the current amount of points. Here up in the corner, the current amount of points, it has some quite high paying offers, and it's actually not too difficult to earn here. It has quite a good amount. First, let me just show you where you find them. First, you need to log in here with the feature offer. Here there is a lot of different opportunities, as you can see here, a lot of opportunities, which means it finds and scans a service that are available for you. Grab points has a very good amount, and you have to be a little bit patient to find the service you qualify for. You will find a lot of opportunities here with a little bit of patience, and they actually pay quite, and you can always see what you get before you take it. They usually don't take too long, and here you can find service for me than $1, but it depends on the country you live in. There are a lot of services here, but you have to shake test for your own country. And here you can see the base survey. You can go down and you can find other walls where you can take them. Some of them are great, and there is different paid office. Just always make sure to read the conditions, because sometimes that can definitely worth it. Sometimes you have to pay a fee to get the reward, and sometimes you have to sign up for something, and you can really boost your earnings. But just make sure to read the conditions. You can find some really good offers, but you will spend quite a lot of time to earn. So this option for me is only good. Base surveys are definitely better ways to do that. You can earn a little bit extra, not a lot, but this can be quite entertaining. And there is another section of offers called apps, a complete office. You have the download app section, basically to download apps and get paid. And again, make sure to read the conditions. There is both with apps and office. There is a little icon you click, and if you click that, it says exactly the conditions. And here there is a free reward. If you sign up, it's almost about $1. You can sign up for the free trial and get paid and get the reward, and make sure to cancel if you don't want to keep it up. So what you need to do and what you are getting into, like I said, there is quite a lot of offers here, and it's usually updated with new offers. And there is also walls with more offers on, where you can download apps easy and simple and get paid. And last thing, to get paid you can refer and earn. Refer your friends and get paid. You get a little extra reward for that. How much you are earn, it depends on the country the friend you are inviting lives in. You get more if you have people from UK, US, Canada to join. You would get 150 points from all these countries, and you would get 25 points from all other countries. A huge amount of money. It can be a way to make a little bit extra. Again, the offers and the download apps are definitely the best way here to earn extra cash. Grab points has a lot of ways to earn, and of course the rewards, so many ways to earn money here. And of course the best way to get your money through PayPal, which is my personal favorite, available in all countries. When you earn 3,000 points, that means like $3. It's a very low payout threshold, but on Grab points, with the amount of the rewards and offers, it will be easy to get extra money here and be able to get paid out. And in my opinion, it has great rewards. It's easy to get paid out quickly. Grab points is definitely a legit side, and it has a low payout threshold, and it has a lot of earning opportunities, and the amount of opportunities also available to all countries. And that's the great thing about Grab points. It has a lot of opportunities in many countries. It's a great option for almost all countries compared to other service sites. This is definitely a legit service site. So many of opportunities, great payout methods, high rewards. So definitely worth checking out. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.